Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Now the process is the exact same for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. There's the bulbs. The way to access it, we have to get this carpet out of the way, which is held in place by those two clips. For that you will need a pair of pliers, and the way to get it out is use the pliers to grab onto the clip over there and then just pull it out straight. And you may have to do some twisting and turning, and it's possible that the plier may just slip off the clip because the clip is on there pretty tight. That's okay, just be patient with it and it's gonna come right out like this. Keep the clip somewhere safe and then repeat the process for the second clip over there. Get that out as well. Peel the carpet back and now you have access to the bulbs. Now the gray bulb holder, that's the one for the rear turn signal bulb. Just grab it and twist it left and that's it. Now it's loose, just pull it out straight and it should just come right out. And the bulb number is right there on the bulb. It says it clearly, WY21W or 7440A. It's all the same. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. You may have to wiggle the bulb, you may have to do this for a few seconds, so just be patient with it, but eventually it's just gonna come right out, so just be patient. And it comes off. Get the new bulb and just push it in to secure it. Now when you put the bulb holder back in, make sure it sits in flush. See, if it's sticking out like this, then you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits like this. Good. Now just twist your right to lock it in place and you're done. Put the carpet back in its place. Make sure the holes over there are aligned. Get the clips and we just have to align it and push the clip through the holes all the way to secure it, and repeat the process for the second one. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.